Hbar is a digital currency circling in the Hedera Hashgraph organization, serving both as a fuel for exchanges and as a method for getting the organization through marking. Hedera's main goal is to give undertaking-grade, versatile organization framework for dApps, with use cases going from extortion counteraction to gaming. While Hedera, as other crypto projects, uses conveyed record innovation, DLT, it's novel in that the record structure isn't a blockchain. The agreement is arrived at utilizing a coordinated non-cyclic chart, or hashgraph innovation. Hedera's originators guarantee that this way is a lot quicker, less expensive and greener than blockchain innovation without forfeiting any security. Another genuinely interesting event is a crypto project like this one having a broad overseeing body, a gathering comprised of the enormous financial backer enterprises, which incorporate such players as Boeing and Google, delegates. For instance, the gathering really controlled the Hbar supply after it was stamped in the test period of Hedera project in 2018. The underlying assets were raised through SAFT, Basic Arrangement for Future Tokens. Hbar tokens have begun entering the flow in 2019, with the accompanying coin discharge plan being extremely sluggish, to guarantee shortage and decrease the gamble of an assault. After Hbar showed up available in 2019, it's been generally calm for some time, seldom breaking the 4-cent obstruction until January of 2021. By then Hedera began to show major areas of strength for instance, laying out contact with the Texas Secretary of State. This prompted a spike in cost, till $0.15 by mid-February. In spring Hbar cost rose further, to about 40 cents, and afterward skipped down to 30 cents and back up again a couple of times prior to sinking into a downtrend. Appears as though Hedera's little energy use didn't make it safe to the crypto market's bear turn after Elon Musk expressed something about the issue. Be that as it may, by June Hedera's cost fall dialed back, keeping above somewhere around 14 cents line, and it very well may be preparing to switch its development in the final part of the late spring. In spite of the way that 100% precise specialized examination for Hedera Hashgraph cryptographic money is not really imaginable, on this cutting-edge specialized examination device by TradingView you can see the continuous totaled Hbar trade rating for Cho's time period. The rundown for Hbar/USD depends on the most well-known specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Hedera Hashgraph value expectation for 2022. As of Hedera Hashgraph cost expectations until the end of 2022, there are dissimilar sentiments. Expects an upswing towards $0.11374, and reverberations with $0.144362 constantly's end. Different specialists, for instance, are more skeptical about Hedera Hashgraph's future cost, referring to numbers downwards of $0 in December. Hedera Hashgraph value expectation for 2023. In their Hedera Hashgraph cost expectations for 2023, figures the coin's cost to go down to $0.03208 by December. Guajin Hedera Hashgraph future anticipates further decline of its cost, as well, saying the Hedera Hashgraph cost will reach $0 at that point. In actuality, continues anticipating Hedera Hashgraph cost development, providing cost estimates around $0.111552 in 2023. Hedera Hashgraph value expectation for 2024. The specialists are consistent in their Hedera Hashgraph cost conjectures for 2024. Everyone anticipates that Hedera Hashgraph's cost should drop somewhere around the finish of that year. Predicts the cost to fall, coming to $0.034268. As indicated by research, Hedera Hashgraph's cost can drop down to $0. Figure is additionally not really sure. Its examiners maintain the point of view that by 2024 Hedera Hashgraph's cost will be about $0.015311. Hedera Hashgraph value expectation for 2025. Has just cynicism available for the 2025 Hedera Hashgraph cost expectation, esteeming Hedera Hashgraph at $0.037913 toward the finish of 2025. Concurs with a negative gauge and predicts, thus, $0 for a similar period. Then again, Group is more hopeful. Their Hedera Hashgraph cost expectation for December of this current year is simply $0.1378. Hedera Hashgraph value expectation for 2030. Talking about long-haul Hedera Hashgraph cost expectations for 2030, specialists present two polar sentiments. Communicates the view that Hedera Hashgraph cost will become further and in the end reach $0.094054 before the decade's over. Cost expectation for Hedera Hashgraph reverberations with the projection of an upturn to $0.108636. In spite of this, vision stays not so certain, promising a defeat to $0. What is Hedera, Hbar? Hedera is the most utilized, supportable, endeavor-grade public organization for the decentralized economy that permits people and organizations to make strong decentralized applications, dApps. It is intended to be a more attractive, more proficient framework that wipes out a portion of the limits that more seasoned blockchain-based stages face, like sluggish execution and insecurity. It was supported through an underlying coin offering, ICO, in August 2018 and first sent off open admittance to its mainnet a little more than a year after the fact in September 2019. As a component of the ICO, financial backers had the option to buy the stage's local utility token, Hbar, at the most minimal conceivable evaluating. The Hbar token plays a double part inside the Hedera public organization. As a matter of some importance, Hbar the fuel that powers Hedera administrations, like brilliant agreements, record capacity and ordinary exchanges. Second, it's utilized to assist with getting the organization, since Hbar clients can stake their tokens to help with keeping up with the honesty of the stage. Hedera, Hbar, is the local cryptographic money of Hedera Hashgraph, a stage that is situated as an option to customary blockchain innovation and plans to succeed in speed, proficiency and security. More seasoned blockchains will generally utilize an agreement component like verification of work, POW, to approve exchanges, while more youthful blockchains settled on confirmation of stake, POS. The Hedera Hashgraph framework has a construction that was made without any preparation especially for the undertaking. Hedera depends on a POS model that is accepted to expand the proficiency of exchange confirmation in the organization, give an elevated degree of safety, and safeguard the organization from programmer assaults. Its environment has the hidden Hashgraph agreement calculation and the worldwide endeavor administering body. Hedera Hashgraph is a circulated record innovation, DLT. As per the venture site, Hedera contrasts from